Hello and welcome back to It's Just About Time, and today I've got a bit of an unboxing video for you as I have just received from England. This is the bracelet for my S2000, I believe, anyway, I'm not entirely sure, and I'm hoping that maybe, just maybe, there might be a little bit of an extra bit in here too, as Bremont has graciously agreed to do some end links for me for my S500 bracelet, which were the end links are for the S2000, but this is for the DLC bracelet, of which there is not an S2000 version. So what they were doing is going to take a pair of end links for the S2000 and DLC coat them. So these might be in here, or they might not. This might just be the bracelet, but either way we'll find out. So this is the bracelet. We'll go to this watch right here. So this is my my S2000. So get the reflection out there. So this is my S2000, and as you can see, this has this beautiful rubber strap, which there's definitely nothing wrong with this. I do like the strap, but I like to have the variation, and I always feel like a watch is only complete when it has its bracelet. So without further ado, let's open and see what we got from Bremont. Alright then, interesting little package. Let's see what's in here first, because I have a feeling this might be... Oh, look at that. Very cool, I'll read that later. But I have a feeling... There we go. One end link. And another. Perfect, look at that. So there we have end links for my S2000 bracelet. To show you what I mean, these links will convert this bracelet, which is for my S500, this will convert this so that it will fit to my S2000, because the lugs are slightly longer. It's the same width, so they're both 22mm, but yeah, the lugs on this are a little bit longer. So now, these end links will convert this bracelet to use for that, which is very cool. However, we also have this little beauty. So this is the actual bracelet that is meant for the 2019 edition of the S2000. So this, oh, look at that beautiful thing. So this has this special deployment clasp, and yeah, this is quite something. I'm gonna have a bit of fun with this. Very cool, and I'm assuming in here is the end links for this bracelet. So let's just have a quick look-see. I guess it would kind of look a little odd if I had the end links for the DLC bracelet on this, but oh yeah, there you go. What's that? I'm guessing those are spring bars. Hey, look at that. Nice pair of spring bars. Excellent. Cool. So, yeah, very nice. So now both my Bremonts have the bracelet option. So, I'm going to take all the plastic off this, and then I will see you in just a moment. So after removing all the plastic, I finally got the bracelet all uncovered, and unfortunately I do not have the wherewithal to be able to remove the links and size it for me, so I'm gonna have to take that down to my local watch shop tomorrow when they're open and do the adjustment there. But as you can see, this is looking all very nice. There's the Bremont logo there and everything. And yeah, the cool thing about this clasp versus the regular one is you have a nice deployment. You've also got the dive extension, and this also has like micro adjustment for the bracelet size built into here, which is really cool. So yeah, you got a nice bracelet. But yes, I need more than a few links taken out of this. So at the moment, I just wanted to show you what it looked like. But very cool. Oh, also while I'm at it. Because I was wondering, like, you know, could I have even put these these end links on this bracelet, and the thing is you can't, because the end links for this are an innie and this is an outie, so it's yeah, it's a little bit different. I didn't realize there was actually that much of a difference in the bracelets. So these end links for the S2000 bracelet, or rather this is the S500 or the Alt 1 Bremont watch. Yeah, so that is for the S2000. I'm not entirely sure what the difference is between the two. As I understand it, this should be a little bit longer, so that will allow it to fit the S2000. Well, they'll allow this to fit the S2000. So now I have a choice in bracelets, which is really cool, and it also means that both my Bremonts are now on a bracelet. Unfortunately, I won't be able to put this on the S500, but at the same time, I kind of like the S500 with the black bracelet. So there you go. That's both my Bremonts all braceleted up. At some uncertain point, I will do a proper review of this watch. Right now, I have a video that is essentially my romancing series, which is lavish angles of this beautiful watch, and so you can go and see that. It's in my YouTube library. I'll also put a link to it at the end of this video. But yeah, this is easily my favorite watch. And this is the exact same watch that Tom Hardy has, if you pay attention to his Instagram. So there you go. So if Tom Hardy has it, you can't go wrong, right? So anyway, there we go. So thank you all very much for watching. Oh yeah, actually, sorry, before I go, I wanted to just read out the note. Oh, so before I go, I just wanted to show you what this said, which is a really nice little note from Bremont saying, please find enclosed your DLC end pieces. We look forward to seeing a picture of your S2000 on the bracelet, which I'll be more than happy to do once I've had a bit of a fiddle around with these. So I just want to explain that these end links are a bit of a custom job from Bremont. They don't usually do this. Obviously, I did pay for them and everything, so it's yeah, that's just a really nice job, and it was very cool that they allowed me to buy this bracelet. Typically, they do not sell this bracelet. If you look on their store, you won't find it available because it is specific to this version of the S2000. But yeah, they were nice enough to let me buy that. Obviously, as an S2000 owner, they didn't seem to mind. So anyway, so until the next video, thank you very much, and you have a good one.